Everyone, I just got back from a relaxing mini vacation with my friends and husband, who is also my friend. We spent 3 days and 2 nights at Anastasia State Park in St. Augustine, Florida. You can see it right here after we zoomed in, right here on this sea bean loop. There's a little loop right here. We are site number 3. It's a cute little site. These sites are also the closest to the beach areas, so those are good sites to get. I definitely recommend, if you can stay in one of those, that'd be great. They take tents and small RV, not really RVs, small campers, vans, pop-ups, and so on. Check-in is 3 p.m. and with sunset around 4 p.m. you gotta move fast. Gotta get your fire going first thing, as well as the temperature starts to drop fast after dark. The lows on this day was about 46 F, so definitely getting that fire ready to go. Once you're set up, it's time to start dinner. Baked potatoes cooked in the ash of the fire is a group favorite for us.
Yeah, you can't be trusted with apparently.
Yeah, smoke in the eyes.
He has 27 fans in a bag. Even though it's freezing.
Wasn't so bright.
I can prove it. This ain't even cooked.
Sometime after 8 p.m. we got a notice that there was a Falcon 9 launch. We thought it would be really cool to view it from the beach, so we all headed out that way. We didn't quite make it to the beach before it actually launched, and we only got a couple photos. But that right there in the middle, that's the Falcon 9. It was pitch black out there, but I got this awesome footage of the lighthouse going around, which I'd never seen at night before. And there it goes. But otherwise, it was pretty pitch black and just looked like this. Or this. This is our little trail to the bathroom. I'm walking slow because I fell on the curb at the beach. And there's the bathroom in the bathhouse. And back this way, is back to our campsite. The guys got the fire going, so that means morning coffee and hot chocolate.
It would probably make money. And just have a camera strapped to your knee, just showing your feet wherever you walk in the campground barefoot.
One of my clients
Step in cow patties and it comes smushing between your toes.
Oh my god. Not like that.
Oh,
You guys, this is a moneymaker.
I'm sure.
Let's get this on paper.
Nothing beats toast over an open flame.
Fish. Some little fish you said first time I caught.
Yeah,
We set up the GoPro just to catch some of the camp activities, which basically amounted to us sitting around the fire, shooting the breeze. Honestly, hanging out around the fire with your friends is often the best part of camping. Later that day, we decided to head back out to the beach so we could see all the giant sand dunes up close and personal in the daylight. And here's the lighthouse again. Doesn't look like anybody's home. Much too cold for the gopher turtles this time of year. They're all snuggled in, I'm sure. I don't know a lot about turtles, but I'm assuming that they don't like it when it's cold. When we got back from the beach, it was time for lunch. Ramen noodles, chicken, and peppers. Peppers and onions, actually. Yeah.
Chicken.
After lunch, most of the group took a nap, but a couple of us went for another hike. While the Ancient Dunes Trails is a short 20 to 30 minute hike, the dunes are very steep. The trail has well-defined footpath with inclined staircases, a few benches, multiple kinds of trees. The trail has multiple entrances as well, so it would be pretty easy to just walk a portion of it if you really wanted to. It's a beautiful place, it's peaceful, and it's a nice place to take a stroll or go for a run if you wanted a challenge. It's been a long day with a lot of steps for me, so it's time for some dinner. Maybe a late dinner, but it's dinner time nonetheless. Halloween plates, because why not?
Alright. Do me a favor, dude. Actually, you know what?
This one's clean.
I was gonna say, go get the knife. Cut them off, and I was gonna say go get the big knife, but I just use it to cut all that raw meat. So.
When you're camping, everything tastes at its absolute best cooked over an open flame. Last few hours of the trip, power went out last night, so we all got really cold. Or, I mean, I felt like I was really cold. Might have been worse for other people. But last few hours, we're all looking pretty raggedy and getting ready, pretty much ready to go home. Hot chocolate with marshmallows. Yeah. Bacon and hopefully eggs for breakfast this morning. After the hot chocolate comes a breakfast Coke. We forgot we had a second band.
We were at a party with a big thing of Jack Daniels straight out of the can. Put it on the counter.
Go ahead. Time for some pancakes. Little pieces of bacon got stuck in it. It's exciting.
Ooh, pancake.
Looks delicious. After we finished breakfast that morning, we all basically started to pack up. Checkout time is 1 p.m., so you do have most of a day, but that just gives you plenty of time to slowly put all your things away, straighten up, fill up your cars and trucks and trailers, and get ready to head back home. A little bit of a drive for us as we're all basically in the Tampa area, but we had a great time and we really enjoyed our trip here. We definitely will be coming back. And also, thank you so much for watching, and I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please like and subscribe, and hopefully we can have some more. Thank you, and keep watching.